Could you explain for the average person like the
Sure.
basics of accounting?
Okay, so all accounting is that you're organizing the data and basically turning it into something that people can read. So it's like translating like a language pretty much. So it's like going from like English to Spanish or something. So all you're doing is just basically collecting all the information that they got. So like you're categorizing that. So imagine like you got receipts. You're like, man, how much did this guy pay or whatever? And you just put it into a system or just keep it on tab or whatever record. People did physical, so they had like physical books that they write all the stuff out and look through and compile like kind of periodically, like monthly, quarterly, and like it's crazy. And so they get all that stuff together. Yeah, they get all that stuff together, and they basically have it in like just a flowing system. So anytime they need a report for a specific date, they'll just print it out. So you have like the P&L, the profit and loss statement. You'll have the balance sheet. You'll have cash flow statement, equity, like statement of equity, like all that kind of stuff. And basically, all those have different uses. You basically are just getting all that information, giving it to shareholders so they can figure out like different kinds of uses for it. So they can be like, okay, how likely are they to like pay us? You know, of like debt to equity ratios, like pretty much everything on those forms. You can basically take out specific parts of it, put like a little equation together, then just boom, figure out what's going on there. And so that's pretty much the job of accountants. All we really do is just make sure that people know what they're buying, what they're selling, and how much they're making or losing. Pretty much it.